Diwar is one of the most finest movies of Bollywood. Few of the dialogues even small kids remember till now. Mere paas maa hai. And the movie actually runs around two children, Vijay and Ravi. And both of them had seen a lot of hardship because father was falsely accused of theft which he was not involved in, and because of guilt he left the family, and the universal mom Nirupama Roy, she single-handedly raised both the kids, and in a crisis, without money, without any self-respect, and even the building where she used to carry bricks on her head, the owner of that building and the person who actually employed her used to abuse her, and these were seen by Vijay, who had a tendency to get angry. Although he was a good human being, but he couldn't tolerate the insult perpetrated on his mom, because of which he became belligerent, and he got this tattooed Mera Baap Chor Hai on his wrist. And throughout his life he was haunted by this, and he never entered a temple. His brother Ravi, who joined the police force because of Mukri, who was the father of Neetu Singh, and Neetu Singh was in love with Ravi. So now the storyline is about a cop and a gangster, and he joined a group led by Dabur, and he employed him. Vijay was employed by Dabur in a scandal and all the black marketing and all. And even Madan Puri was there, who was just opponent of this Dabur group, and he earned fame. He earned fame in a negative way, Vijay, and he had a building, he had a mansion, he had everything one could imagine. Wealth. He became wealthy, and he bought a building for her mom and paid extra lakhs for that building, because he said that when we were growing up I saw my mom carrying the brick, so I don't even mind paying 1 or 2 lakhs extra. So those were quite emotional scenes. But Vijay had taken a path where there was no return, and there in the journey of life he met Praveen Bobby. Both of them planned to get married. She even had got pregnant, but because of Madan Puri and that notorious group, she got killed. And the way Madan Puri is killed is also quite, it's a, you can say, memorable scene. He is thrown from the building, from a very high-rise building, and he's just in his he's wearing his undies, and he entered the room, Vijay, and caught him red-handed, and he threw him out from the building. And this movie ended on a sad note, because he was shot by his own brother Ravi, and Vijay died in a temple because he knew that his mom daily visited temple. So that is the place where he would actually want to die. So in her arms he passed away, and she got a reward. She got an award, and even Ravi was Ravi got an award, and he brought his mom. Both of them did a very brave. It was a brave heart act, because she said that as a mother, I may be a different person, but as a dutiful woman, I'll say that when you shoot your brother, don't hesitate, she said, when he was going to chase him. So this movie requires, what is the bottom line? And one very catchy scene of the movie is about Vijay, which reflected his personality, that he would become something, he would do something great with his life, was whenever he was thrown coins in front of him, where he was a cobbler, because they were destitute, so he took up the job of a cobbler. And there, when he used to polish the shoes and all, Iftikhar, the Dabur, he came along, and he threw the other colleague who was with him, he just threw the coin, and he said, Sir, don't throw the coin. I'm not begging. Pick it up and give it in my hand. So Dabar said that this boy will become something. Look at his temper. And the same way, when he joined Dabar's group, he offered the money and threw it on the table. He said, "You remember 20 years back when you had come to get your shoe polished, and I said that I don't take things which are thrown in front of me. Pick it up and give it on my hand." And he did it, but he lost his life. Bottom line, wealth may give you everything, but self-respect and love is something which is the most valuable thing in this life. And love, Vijay was loved by his mom, but he didn't have that kind of self-respect which Ravi earned because he was a cop. And 5 stars.